This is Derek Comingore, and I work in Pivotal's data engineering team. Thank you for your time today. In today's demonstration, I'm going to be showing you Datometry Hyper-Q for Pivotal Data Suite, which is a new offering we're coming to market with that enables the seamless transition or data virtualization of using Pivotal Greenplum database from a Teradata client perspective. So I think you're going to find this pretty intriguing. On the top left side is just our stock Pivotal Greenplum database sandbox. I have taken that sandbox and done only two things, to it. The first thing I've done to this sandbox is I have installed Datometry Hyper-Q for Pivotal Data Suite and configured it and started it up and running. So it is running here in this top left machine with Greenplum. The second thing I have done is I have created a demo sample database within the Pivotal Greenplum database instance. So if I go psql.h 127001 and I do a \l, you see there's a demo database. Those are the only two changes that have been made to this Greenplum sandbox. On the right-hand side is Teradata Express, which is a virtual machine Teradata ships to its customer and prospective customer base for evaluating their product, Teradata database. As you see here, it's a Linux box. I have a GNOME terminal, and I'm going to go ahead and fire that up. And let me zoom in so it shows just a little better for the recording here. And so now what I'm going to do is type in BTEC, which, if you're not familiar, BTEC is Teradata's their own shipping command line tool. Their native CLI. That's what BTEC is. Now the first command I have to enter here is a .login command to authenticate and connect to what it thinks is Teradata database. So over here on the left, I'm going to get out, and I'm going to run an ifconfig to get my IP. Come back over here and type in that IP address. And we're going to authenticate with the Greenplum Superuser GPadmin account, for those that are familiar. For those that are not, this is just that. It's the Superuser account we have customers instantiate and use with our product. I'm going to hit return here. It's going to prompt me for the password, which is the same. And now we've successfully authenticated. Now from the BTEC perspective, it believes and thinks it's talking to a backing Teradata database. In reality, it is connecting to Pivotal Greenplum database. You know, in this case, Greenplum 4310 on the top left, virtual machine. So pretty intriguing, right? And now what I'm going to do for the second part of the demo is I'm actually going to run and fire off one after another a series of queries that have been pre-written as well as industry standard TPCDS. So I'm going to bring up Text Wrangler here. Here are all of the queries. Now I'm not going to run TPCDS query 1, which is the top item here in the list, only because running on the single node virtual machine, it takes a little too long for demonstration purposes to complete. So I'm going to start with query 2, and copy all, select all and copy. And again, these are the TPCDS industry standard queries. Paste it over here in Teradata's CLI. We've got results. So I just successfully parsed, executed, and returned a distributed query from what the CLI thought was Teradata database, when in fact it was connecting to Greenplum. I'm going to go to the next query. Copy, paste again. And there's the results. Query 4, TPCDS, this will be the last one that I show for the sake of brevity and time here. Select all, copy, and run. And there's the results. Okay. So clearly we can demonstrate TPCDS compatibility through the new Datometry Hyper-Q for Pivotal Data Suite offering. The next thing I'm going to show you, the next category of queries rather, is these are 3 custom queries I've written only for the purposes of demonstrating that not only do we support TPCDS, but in addition we also support proprietary Teradata SQL syntax, the first of which is grouping by an ordinal position. Okay. And there's the results. Take a minute to get all the results to feed through the CLI. This is a no from clause, and it's completed. There it is, no from clause. And the last query I'm going to demonstrate is the top in with conditional logic. So I'm using a top in positioning, ordinal position, with some conditional logic. And there we go. So, just to recap, in this demonstration you've seen today, I took Teradata Express, which is Teradata's own virtual machine. I did nothing to this machine. I simply started and fired up BTEC, which is Teradata's native CLI. I then connected and successfully authenticated over to a backing Greenplum store. I issued a series of both TPCDS and proprietary Teradata syntax written queries. All 6 of those queries were successfully parsed, executed, and returned results as expected, just as if I was connecting to a backing Teradata database. I hope you found the demonstration intriguing and useful, and I look forward to seeing you and working with you in the future. Have a great day.